Hello, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the stock of the day. And is there any doubt that this is the stock of the day, AMC? Now, somebody asked me in the room. Now, I do own this, okay? My average is around $23. I've traded this one kind of in and out. I've always kind of kept a core position. But, what's happening today is, of course, absolutely incredible. One of the reasons why I find it incredible is that look at the float. 448 million shares. Rarely are you going to find something with that many shares in the float up 50% for the day. You usually find these sort of percentages, 50%, some of them are up 100%, 200%, but they have insanely low floats, 5, 6 million in the float. This is what, to me, makes this even more incredible, that AMC is doing what it's doing. So I don't know where it's going. I mean, I actually I have an alert at $50. They might take 50 out. I don't know. I have no idea. Somebody asked me, when am I selling? I honestly don't know. I mean, I've traded it in and out a few times, and but not my entire position. I've just sort of had I guess I'll call it a trading position. I've kept a core position, and I've been able to add also at certain levels that I think could hold. So I've been very, very fortunate. And again, if you don't know what's happening, this is Wall Street Bets. If you don't know what that is, just head over to Reddit and find the Wall Street Bets forum. And this one to me is the star, not GME anymore. I mean, GME is still excellent. It's still, oops, second here. GME is still, but it's up what, 2%. Pales what AMC is doing. AMC is actually at an all-time high, like literally for its stock. Now, people are going to say, how can this be? The fundamentals are terrible. They're losing money. They've got tremendous debt. All I can check mark and say yes, 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 yes. But it doesn't really matter right now. Right now, all it is for me is a stock play. And what happens afterwards if it utterly collapses? Well, I won't be around, hopefully, if it utterly collapses. But anyway, stock of the day. But we've got other ones. I mean, I think Pets is another one that they got a hold of. I mean, look at this. Look at these moves. If you take a look, they're all the same. 31% short float. Okay. Bed Bath & Beyond, another one they got a hold of today. Bed Bath & Beyond. Look at this short float, 30%. So, it's all these high short float stocks that they're just piling into. And what they're trying to do, in essence, is destroy the shorts. Those who have bet against a stock company, and they're trying to destroy them. It's that simple. Anyway, AMC for me, it's just been, spectacular. It makes trading a lot easier. I don't really have to do too much else as this keeps happening. So anyway, I'll want to get back into the room. Any questions you may have for me? And by the way, the promo is still alive. Memorial 25 is still alive. I thought it was going to be over last night, but I guess it is still alive. It should be, I'm pretty sure, tonight it'll be over, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. So you still have a chance to get 25% off a Trade Idea subscription, either the first month only or the entire year. So I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 a.m. Can't wait to see what's going to happen tomorrow with all those stocks. I hope you have a great evening, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye.